Apple revealed that its Worldwide Developers Conference, WWDC, will take place on June 10th. This is when we expect to see the next iteration of software across all of Apple's products, including iOS 18. From the sounds of it, we're in for a big update with iOS 18, rumored to be one of the biggest updates yet. Here's what we expect from Apple's next major iPhone update with iOS 18. A more customizable home screen. One of the strengths of Android phones is that you can customize your home screen pretty much any way you want. iOS 18 is set to revolutionize home screen customization. Unlike Android, where you can place app icons freely, iOS is limited to a grid layout. However, with iOS 18, users will finally have the flexibility to create free space and arrange app icons and widgets anywhere on the screen. You can also set your own image for sure. The update brings iOS closer to Android's level of customization and is expected to be a game changer for iOS users. RCS Messaging. In 2023, Apple announced a big change for iMessage. It's going to start using RCS Messaging in 2024. This means there will probably be a big software update, possibly called iOS 18, to make it happen. RCS will make messaging between iPhones and Android phones better, like iMessage between Apple devices. But don't worry, Android users will still see green bubbles when they chat with iPhone users. Regardless, the features that RCS would bring include are given form in. Some Apple users have been waiting eagerly for this feature for a long time, while others might not have asked for it directly. But it's good news for everyone because it's a useful addition that should have been there a long time ago. AI. Nowadays, AI is popping up everywhere, even in our phones, like Samsung's Galaxy AI and Google Pixel 8 AI features. Apple might be joining the AI club too with iOS 18. They've been spending lots of money on AI tech, around $1 billion every year. There's talk that Apple might team up with Google for their Gemini AI, but nothing's confirmed yet. They might also consider using OpenAI. If Apple does go for AI, they'll have to decide whether it's all done on the phone or through the cloud. Doing it on the phone is safer, which Apple likes. The fancier AI features might only be for the iPhone 16 Pro with the A18 chip, since it's super powerful. Apple might start small with AI in iOS 18, saving the bigger stuff for later updates. Improved Siri. Apple is working on making Siri even better by using something called large language models, LLMs. These are like big databases that help Siri understand and respond to us more naturally, like how ChatGPT works. With LLMs, Siri could get better at chatting with us and understanding our preferences. For example, it might be able to finish our sentences or answer more complicated questions. Also, Siri might work more closely with the Shortcuts app, which helps automate tasks on our phones. This could make Siri even more helpful for getting things done quickly and easily. New Maps features. Apple Maps has improved a lot over the years, though some people still prefer other options, like Google Maps due to Apple's lack of certain features. Thankfully, iOS 18 could make Apple Maps more appealing. iOS 18 might let you choose your own routes in Apple Maps. This means you can pick which roads to take instead of just following the usual directions from Apple. You could choose scenic routes or ones you know well. Also, iOS 18 might add topographic maps to the iPhone. These maps show trails, elevation, and interesting spots on the map, making it easier for hikers and outdoor enthusiasts to explore. Hearing aid mode for AirPods Pro. In iOS 18, AirPods Pro might get a hearing aid mode through a software update. This is good news for current owners. Right now, AirPods Pro has a feature called Conversation Boost that makes voices louder. We're not sure yet what the hearing aid mode will do differently, but it's something to keep an eye on. More accessibility features. iOS 18 will come with lots of new features to help users with accessibility. One of them is adaptive voice shortcuts, which lets you make custom phrases to control accessibility settings like VoiceOver and Zoom. Also, the live speech feature from iOS 17 might get new categories to organize phrases better. Plus, there could be more apps that let you adjust text size for easier reading. Thanks for watching our video about the big changes coming to iOS 18. With cool stuff like customizable home screens, RCS messaging, and AI features, iOS 18 is going to be awesome. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more tech news. See you next time, and if you have any opinion, please comment.